Yesterday we were at the Elk Grove Giant Pumpkin Festival, and all my photos and videos got blown off the memory chip. I bought one of these from China, got a really good price with free shipping on eBay, and suddenly the card couldn't be read by the camera, and when I got home the computer had no luck reading the chip either. So I've tried a few of the programs that I've used before for data recovery, and the problem is that without a drive letter it can't access the card at all. I tried a quick format with the computer just to get the PC to assign it a drive letter, with no luck at all. And I hesitate to take it to the computer shop because in the past I've been able to recover data and do what the computer shops charge for, but not this time. And shipping would cost too much to return it for a refund, so I'm just going to have to either throw the chip away or search on the internet for more ideas. So all the photo and video that I took yesterday is gone. You know, the entire event and an interview that took place at the Sprouts Farmers Market booth, that's probably the most disappointing loss of all. The Pumpkin Festival has gotten so overcrowded. We've had a population explosion in Elk Grove. It's 3 times as crowded as it was the first year we went. So that kind of takes the fun out of it. And then with the heat, because of the drought, there were only 6 entries in the Giant Pumpkin Weigh-Off, but they did set a world's record, or at least a record for the Elk Grove region, with over 2,000 pounds. It was grown in Wisconsin in a greenhouse. The driver, I heard, spent about $500 in gas getting down here, but he won a $14,000 prize, so that more than makes up the difference. But without any memories to look back on from this chip, it's going to be a forgotten day.